Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. In this video, I'm going to be doing a paper piecing from one of my page kits, number 106. And this is the title piece. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the base layer. And I am using the Art Glitter brand Designer Dries Clear liquid glue with the fine metal tip. I'm going to center that right on here. Okay, then we're going to take the gold piece next. If you are interested in picking up one of these kits, there's a link in the description below to my shop where you can find all kinds of fun projects. Okay, now we're going to glue these pieces together. I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up to the top. And we're just centering. We have the black layer, then the white, then the red. It's a very, very thin white. You can barely see it. Okay. And then this is the final layer. Just want to center it on there. And I'm going to use the pin for my glue just to clean up some of that excess glue. Okay, then this is going to go right here. There's a little spot you can see. Kind of helps you as a guide where to place it. And you can actually use foam squares on this or foam tape and pop it up if you prefer. But I'm just going to go ahead and glue it down flat. And then I'll pop up the whole piece on my page. Make sure it's good and secure. Okay, all done. That was a quick one. Very sad title. But anyway, okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button and click that bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.